Okay, what is up, YouTube fam? Today, my little 13-year-old sister, you know what I'm saying, she wanna try to do my makeup. She claimed that she could slay this face, so we're gonna see what the heck she can do with a blank canvas. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And again, if you guys are a new subscriber and happen to stumble across my page, please subscribe below, show your girl some love and support, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what to do. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. Hopefully, she claims she knows what she's doing, really, but we shall see.
Okay, first we're gonna use this Black Radiance primer. Cause you gotta make sure that the face is primed out. Make sure to accentuate her big arse forehead. Do you have any? Oh, I can use this brush.
Yeah.
Because if you don't accentuate the forehead, then what's the point of doing the makeup, right? Oh, and we're using this Simply Essential B03 brush that she bought about 10 years ago.
It's a cheap brush. I just got it, actually.
Oh dang!
I got it right from Marshall.
I'm coming for your brand. We're using this Fit Me foundation matte for the oily noses and stuff. I don't want to waste it because you know it's expensive. And then I'm pretty sure this is your color. Yeah, you'll be good. Hopefully I don't get it on your nose ring.
It's all good.
Guys, use code, no, just kidding. Use code Cooper for 10% off at checkout.
Yeah, right. No, this video is not sponsored, by the way, you guys. I know I can get in trouble for that.
Oh dang, you can't. Never mind.
No,
this video is not sponsored. Finna catch a case trying to get some sponsorship. And guys, remember, it's all about outer beauty. I mean, never mind. It's all about inner beauty. It's not about outer beauty, guys. Dang, this is kind of dark for your
I know.
Don't worry.
You got the wrong one. I look extra crispy. Oh, you know, I actually look that bad. I guess once you know, set up the powder.
We're not doing.
You know, I actually got that shade. I got that shade when it was like during the summer, because you know I turn like I turn really dark in the summertime. Guys, look. I thought you said you know what you was damn.
I am. Look.
I ain't even gonna help you. You just keep going, girl.
It's gonna look good. Don't worry. Now we're gonna use this it's Maybelline, never mind. Let us say non-identified concealer. Do the little triangles. I was watching James Charles before I came. Your little snatch sister.
Oh, that just feels like a cricket nose contour. Like you're just doing a squiggly line on my nose. That just felt sloppy.
See, look, now it's gonna blend into your skin tone better. Now we're gonna contour. She's really skinny, so you don't really need to contour. No, like that's not a bad thing. It's like you have a very skinny. You have a skinny face. So we're just gonna.
You the shape throwing damn queen, okay?
Stop so I can contour. Alright. gonna do her eyebrows now. She has eyebrows to build on. Unlike my grandma, I had to do hers and she didn't really have eyebrows, so. Now we're gonna set her face, just set the important parts. Yeah. You got the important parts. Don't just do the whole face. The very important parts like under eyes. Over here yelling at me because she thinks I'm gonna mess up her smoky palette. Popping. So we're gonna try and not poke her in the eye.
Please don't. I don't want black eyeball like Mommy did you.
It hurts. Oh, so I did my sister's makeup. It looks really good. It may not look good on camera, but it looks good in person. It looks really nice. Yes, she was adopted.
Yeah, right.
You were adopted.
Okay, you guys, so that is a tutorial that my 13-year-old sister just did on me. Face beat to hell by her. Okay, not beat to the God, beat to hell. So if you guys like this look, please comment below. Let me know if it's a slay or a nay. Just please, just let me know how you guys feel about this look. I mean, she need a little bit more work.
But it don't look bad.
Your blending needs to be better. My eyebrows are way too harsh.
Your eyebrows look
angry.
good. I mean, you always are angry.
My eyeliner is a little bit flubbed up.
Let me see, turn. It looks really good. If y'all were here, y'all would see how
In
good
her
it
eyes, it looks. I'll give you a 5.
out of 10.
No, I'm gonna give you a 3.
Girl, you better give me a 10.10.
I'm gonna give her a 3. So again, you guys, that is going to conclude our video for today. And don't forget that if you are a new subscriber, please like, comment, and subscribe below. And go ahead and join the fam. Go ahead and hit that notification button so that you never miss a video from me. So that is gonna be all for today, you guys. So that is our video and that is our look. By my little sister Shayla.
Make sure you guys come join the Coop Squad.
Coop Squad. All right.
All social medias will be down below in the description. Bye.
Bye, guys.